It tastes so good. Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hang Out with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some snacks and we are making some caramel popcorn. And these are the list of ingredients that you need for today's episode. Of course, you'll need your popcorn kernel, some sugar, some salt, some water, and some margarine. But you can also use butter if at all you have. And without further ado, let's get started. So we need to first start by popping our popcorns, and I'm going to add in my margarine. And today do not have some cooking oil, but if at all you have, you can also add a few drops of cooking oil. I'm also going to add my salt. So now that this is fragrant, I'll go in with my popcorn seeds. And we are going to mix this in properly. Then at this point, I'm going to cover it and let the popcorns pop. Now let's make our caramel, and I'm going to add about just 2 tablespoons because my popcorns are not a lot, or also 3. Then I'm going to add some water. I've also added the same amount of water, and I'm going to let this simmer on low till the sugar dissolves. So something else that I forgot to mention that you need is some baking powder, and this is going to help with the crunch. Do not skip out on that step. So you just add a pinch of baking powder. So we are going to continue cooking this till it becomes golden in color. So at this point you have to be careful because it just takes a blink of an eye for it to burn, and as you can see we are approaching that stage that you want, that color. And now this is what we want, so just get it out of the fire. Then we are going to line this on a parchment paper so that it can cool down. Then I'll be back to give it a taste test. Now that my popcorn is cooled, we are just going to kuziachanisha, and you can hear how crunchy they are. And I promise you that they taste better than the ones that you buy at the movies. Also, let's give it a taste test. Hey, it tastes so good. So I recommend that you try this recipe, and I'm pretty sure you're going to fall in love with it. So as you've seen, it is a recipe that will take you less than 5 minutes, and you are going to be enjoying this for the rest of your life. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.